how to really forgive is now given to you as an opportunity through this meditation. This is a place where we allow the author of our life, the one who is all wisdom, all truth, justice, God, Jesus, Holy Spirit, to guide us. So all you have to do, if any area of your life you're struggling with forgiveness, just step back. I suggest you close your eyes if you're comfortable. Stand and observe your mind. And now I'm going to ask the wonderful counselor, as you stand back and observe, to bring to your mind the people that you need to forgive, the people that have hurt you, the people that you find you're difficult to be with. You don't have to like people, but the people. So I ask you, wonderful counselor, to bring into each person's mind the person or the people, it could be you, it might be God, who you would like to forgive. Now, as you look at that person or those people, I'm going to ask the wonderful counselor to show you, and I want you to look into their eyes as though they're present, but they're in your mind. And I'm going to ask the wonderful counselor to show you, as a result of what they've done to you or not done, or doing to others, I ask you to show each person here what they've been left feeling. Now, allow the feelings to arise up. Would they be resentment, anger? Look at the person and tell them, as a result of what you're doing, you make me feel. And tell them all the feelings you have. Keep looking at them. And if there's anger and rage towards them, allow yourself to feel it. I'm going to ask, because this is one of the blocks to you being free, the wonderful counselor who sees you inside out, how would they like to express that anger, that rage, as a result of what happened to them or to someone else that they love? I ask you to give them permission and show them what they'd like to do to the person. You know, give them a kick in the shins, hit them on the head, shake them. Now, I ask you to allow yourself to express that in your mind's eye, so you don't express it in reality. Express it and go for it. If you need to shake the person, shake them. If you need to hit them on the head, hit them on the head. If you need to kick them, whatever comes to you, Holy Spirit, Spirit of wisdom and love, you want them emptied. Show them what they'd like to do in that anger and rage, where an injustice has happened, where they need to be released from unforgiveness. You might want to, I'm getting an image of someone dunking someone in water, trying to get them to wake up. Whatever's coming to you, keep doing it until you don't want to do it anymore. This is really, really important. Allow yourself to have a voice. Express what's been hidden in you so it can be released completely. Tell the person, look at them and do it to them in your mind's eye, under the guidance of wisdom and love. Do what you need to do so you do not harbour hatred and revenge, resentment. Now, as a result of what they have or have not done to you or others, I'm going to ask the wonderful counselor to show you, what have you been left feeling about your worth and value? And I ask you, wonderful counselor, to show each person here, how have they been left feeling about their own personal worth and value as a result of what this person or these people do? Acknowledge it, accept it. Maybe they've made you feel like you are dirt, like you are useless. Maybe they make you feel like I'm sorry about that. The internet just broke down. So we'll just go back to where we were. Look into your mind's eye and we'll continue on with this meditation. And look into your mind's eye and look at that person or people and tell them what you've been left believing about your worth and value. Look as though they're looking at present to you, that you feel useless, powerless, not good enough, nothing, like it's your fault, responsible. Whatever it is that they made you feel, tell them. It's a way of you emptying. Now look at them, keep looking at them under the guidance of the wonderful counselor. Show them now, what would they say back to you? I want you to look at them, and wonderful counselor, the one who knows everything, what would they now say back to everybody? How would they respond? Look at them now. Wonderful counselor now. Notice if there's a change in the way you see them. Look at them. Sometimes you see them like little children or broken human beings. Allow the wonderful counselor to show you the third perspective now. How does he want you to see them? This will set you and those around you free. Just allow. Allow. How would you have them see this person or these people or themselves? Notice if you sense a word, an image, a change in the image you see of them. And how would you have each one see themselves? What is the truth about themselves? And where were you? Just listen. Notice if there's a change or no change. Don't think. Look at the person in your mind's eye and just feel. And this may be triggering off something deeper in you, which the Agape Encounter can help people with later. And they can always contact us. Now, I'm just going to come to a close with this meditation, which has unfortunately been interrupted by the internet, but it's a still valuable tool for you to go away with. I'm going to ask the wonderful counselor to show you, how do you feel now as a result of doing that? Do you feel a shift, or do you feel like it's just been all stirred up? So this is when you need to contact us when you get stuck. And I just pray that you go back to this three-way perspective again and again, so you can go from unforgiveness, hatred, revenge, murder, resentment to compassion and peace, and let the just judge take over.